Yeah, welcome back to the channel. No new fast video. I have made a video just a couple of days ago about just a little about things around this car, and just more or less as a joke I was thinking to just take out the air cleaning filter for the inside of the car to look at that one, and that was a scary business. So it's very easy to take out, very easy to change, not expensive, but it was filled up with shit. I even found some small holes in it. So now we're going to change that filter. I've been away at Bildilla, because there also was a Bildilla filter in there before. So now we're just going to change this. It's an easy job. Yeah. Then we try to change the cabin filter or inside the cabin. Of course, first thing you have to do is take away the things lying inside. Yesterday I was a little hard on it, but on the side of this is a damper. On the side of that one is a screw. See if I get this cover to stand. Take off this screw. The damper on this car was not hanging well, so that was coming down easy. And that is off. It's very easy to take out. Filter box have 2 clips. Filter is lying here. Yesterday when I was taking it out, it was very dirty. I have to put in a video of that. I have filter for the QP. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to change that one. Here you see I've been buying it at Bildilla. So I'm just going to get a new one and put in. Because as you can understand, this is not perfect. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. I've seen many bad filters filled up in nuts and everything on the Land Cruiser. I was thinking this may be bad too. So yeah, it's bad. I'm just going to buy a new one. It's no problem. It should have been changed. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if I find some place to put that camera. New filter. The same filter. Just find the slot. Push it back. Those are going in again. I haven't put on any more lights and things. I'm just feeling, bang bang, 2 clips, right in, finished. Take off the old one, throw it away. Back and put the door to support the camera. No. The hinge here, this bottom part of this has some plastic hinges that is hanging on. As this here, it's very simple. Just push in, it's locked here. Just bang on this one again. This screw with a big head. There. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's possible to make things much easier than this. One screw, very little force, 2 clips in the plastic in front of the filter. Just take out the filter. New one, bought at Bildilla was 148, was it, or 9? Cost almost nothing. How many minutes? 5-10 minutes to fix it. And the air in the cabin is getting better. They're also selling, not Bildilla, but some other companies also sell coal filters with cold inside them, that is supposed to clean the air even better. So thank you. I hope you like this fast, simple, easy, and to be honest, quite important job. So just go out, change your filters. There's no point not doing it. Make the air inside your cabin better, and the filter was in here starting to get hole in it, to start to get air into the fan system. Then you start to get it in the system, you start ruining your fan. A lot more work, a lot more money, a lot more problems. Just buy a filter. Some other countries around the world, I think they're going to get them much cheaper than this too. Okay, thank you. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please put a like if you like it. And please write a comment. Maybe you found some very cheap filters some other place. Thank you.